I will demonstrate to you how to make your very own eyebrow product. This is Eyebrow Pomade. It's a gel consistency type cream, and it's perfect for filling in your eyebrows. You can use this to paint your eyebrows from scratch, or you can paint individually. Just fill in your brows individually. This is organic products with as little chemicals as possible. The best thing about making your own product is that you control what's inside of the product. With this, you only need 3 things. You need a jar. I'm using this big jar for demonstration purposes. The ideal size for eyebrow cream is something of this size here. But when you do it yourself, you can do what you want. You also need organic coconut oil, also organic cocoa powder. To make this eyebrow product is very simple, very easy. I'm not going to measure right now, but you will use more cocoa powder than you will use coconut oil. And there you have it. Because of the coconut oil, if this is stored in a warm area, it will be softer. But even when it's soft, you can still use it. You can still use it the same. You store it in cooler places, then it will be harder, or room temperature. So you can store any condition, but just know if it's stored in a warm area, it will get softer. If you store it in a cooler area, then it'll harden back up. So if it gets really soft and you're like, oh my gosh, it's like liquid now, that's fine. Just store it in a cooler area. But either way, you can still use, and it'll still look good on your brows. There you have it, a product that you can say you made on your own. You know what's in it. If you would like to see more do-it-yourself chemical-free products, or products with as little chemicals as possible, subscribe to this channel and stay tuned.